Alright, a couple days ago, this van couldn't start, and I did the pounding on the battery. The starter, and it started. So this would be like second or third time that causing the starter not starting. So I think I'm going to not want to pounding the starter no more. So I'm going to replace the starter. So I'm going to do the starter replacing on this right here. Removing the negative battery first, because you don't want anything to cause starter frying everything else. If the starter burn anything else, then you cost money. So that's what taking out right here. Taking this strap out. And take the battery negative out. And then taking the positive. And removing the battery. Taking this index out too. You may not have to if you can go under here, but easy is just remove this right here. Plug all the plug in the side here. Now unplug the sensor right here. Take this out. Take out number 12. Remove the power from the starter. Unplug plug here. And then you have number 14 that holding the starter. You can use a swivel like me, or you don't have to, just because it's just right here. Okay, connect my drill to it. Take out the bolt. Second one over here. That's it. Best take this out. Get out of the way. That's it. Alright, I got the new starter. So just insert back in here. And then put the 2 screw in. Pretty much you just reverse from what you're doing. That's it. I don't really have to show everything from here, but very simple. Okay, and you can finish watching me. And main thing is, when you buy the starter, make sure you test it. They say triple test on the starter, you know, but hey, you don't know. This sometimes you buy a remanufactured one, they're not very good, and you don't want to do double work on this. Okay, make sure you test it. Okay, So for faster work, I'm going to use my drill again. Okay, so my drill is not have enough cord, so I want to make sure my starter secure. Had to be forced a little bit more because there's a 14 millimeter bolt, so it's pretty much like 40 to 50 foot-pound. So make sure it's tight. Okay, and then you put your starter power source in. They do cover the new nut, but I prefer this nut better. Okay, that's tight, and close that so it won't touch any metal. That is done. All right, it's done. Fast, easy. So you know how to do this. Simple. Let me go crank it up to see it's starting good or not. All right, the new starter is working good. So thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye now.